you ever wondered why blacksmiths keep hitting the same piece of metal over and over again? You've probably seen someone hammering glowing hot metal and making that satisfying ringing sound with every strike. Now, you might think they're just trying to make the metal thinner or force it into shape, but the interesting part is that every hit changes the metal in a specific way, because when metal is heated until it's red hot, it becomes soft enough to reshape without breaking. So by repeatedly striking it, blacksmiths can slowly stretch it, bend it, and turn a simple bar of metal into a knife, a tool, or even a sword. Somehow you still haven't liked this video?